When it comes to improving your home's comfort, security, and overall value, installing a new door may seem like a simple project, but the benefits of having it done professionally extend far beyond aesthetics. Tampa's warm climate, coastal humidity, and frequent storms make it essential to choose expert installation that ensures long-term performance. Whether you're replacing an entry door, upgrading to energy-efficient models, or improving your home's curb appeal, a professional installer can make a meaningful difference. Superior fit and long-term durability. One of the biggest advantages of hiring a professional door installer is the precision they bring to the job. Doors must be perfectly aligned, leveled, and sealed to function correctly. Even a small gap can lead to drafts, water intrusion, or unnecessary strain on hinges and locks. Tampa homes face unique challenges due to humidity and occasional high winds. A door that is not installed correctly may swell, warp, or deteriorate much faster. Professional installers understand the local climate and use techniques that ensure your door remains durable, stable, and secure through every season. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a major priority for Tampa homeowners, especially during the hot summer months when air conditioning costs rise. A door that is professionally installed will be properly insulated and weather stripped, preventing cooled air from escaping and warm, humid air from entering. This tight seal helps your HVAC system work more efficiently, lowering your monthly energy bills. Over time, this added efficiency can pay for the cost of installation itself, making it a smart investment. Enhanced home security. Your doors are one of your home's primary lines of defense. A poorly installed door may not latch properly or could be vulnerable to forced entry. Professionals ensure that the door frame, lock set, and hinges are installed securely and reinforced according to best practices. For homeowners upgrading to impact-resistant or hurricane-rated doors, a common choice in the Tampa area, professional installation is essential. These doors must be properly anchored and aligned to provide full storm protection. When installed correctly, they help shield your home from debris, strong winds, and potential break-ins. Protection from moisture and weather damage. Tampa's weather can be unpredictable, with sudden rainstorms and high humidity posing risks to your home. Doors that are not sealed well can allow moisture to seep inside, leading to mold growth, rot, or damage to your flooring and walls. Professional installers use the right flashing, caulking, and sealing solutions to create a weather-tight barrier. This protects not just your door but also the structural integrity of the surrounding area. Increased home value and curb appeal. A high-quality door enhances your home's appearance, but professional installation ensures it looks its best for years to come. Proper alignment, smooth operation, and expert finishing give your home an upgraded look that appeals to buyers and adds to property value. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to make a great first impression, professional door installation provides lasting beauty and function. Access to expert guidance. Choosing the right door for your home can feel overwhelming with so many materials, styles, and features available. Professional installers can guide you in selecting a door that fits your home's architectural style, budget, and climate needs. They also understand local building codes and can recommend hurricane-rated or energy-efficient options ideal for Tampa homes. Peace of mind and warranty protection. Many door manufacturers require professional installation to keep their warranties valid. Doing it yourself or hiring an unqualified installer may void important coverage. With professional installation, you get peace of mind knowing your door is backed by both a product and labor warranty. Final thoughts. Investing in professional door installation is one of the smartest decisions Tampa homeowners can make. It ensures long-lasting performance, improved security, better energy efficiency, and enhanced curb appeal. Most importantly, it protects your home from the challenges of Tampa's climate while offering comfort and confidence in your investment.